Welcome back to DocTuber friends. Myself Dr. Shiv Shankar Pal. I will be today discussing about osteoarthritis. So you probably heard the term osteoarthritis, but how would you prevent it? This is a very important question because prevention is better than cure. And once you have attained old age and you have not lead a healthy lifestyle, you are going to suffer from osteoarthritis. Now please watch this video till the end to get proper information about how to prevent and how to treat osteoarthritis. If you have still not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and stay tuned till the end of the video.
Now let us know what is osteoarthritis. It is a condition when the cartilage at the end of the bone starts wearing out due to various factors like age, etc. Now knee osteoarthritis is very much common than the hip osteoarthritis. Now let us know what are the important causes of osteoarthritis. Obesity is a very much important cause because increased weight can put increased pressure on knee joints. Now age is an important factor. Inflammatory diet and less omega-3 in diet can cause inflammation and cartilage wearing out. Deficiency of magnesium, vitamin D and vitamin K2 in diet can cause osteoarthritis. Female genders are more predisposed to osteoarthritis. Excessive stress and injuries can damage the weight-bearing joints. Decreased exercise and muscle weakness can lead to osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis can present with various symptoms like pain and swelling in joints, tenderness, loss of flexibility, and grating sensation. Osteoarthritis can be diagnosed via X-rays and MRIs. In X-ray, we have to look for bony spurs and decreased joint space. Now let us know what are the conventional treatments for osteoarthritis. There is use of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, steroids, opioids, steroid or hyaluronic acid injections. Nutraceuticals are used like glucosamine and chondroitin and etc. And lastly, joint replacement therapy is also done. Now we know prevention is better than cure. So let's know how we can prevent osteoarthritis from ruining our lives. Calcification of cartilage makes the joint weak, friable and non-elastic. Now this can lead to osteoarthritis. Magnesium prevents aberrant calcification of cartilage and it also promotes chondrogenic differentiation of mesenchymal stem cells. It also promotes SOX9 protein which inhibits cartilage erosion. Magnesium supplementation can be of great help in osteoarthritis. We have already discussed about magnesium supplements in our previous video, so please go to the I button above and watch the video. Vitamin D has a very much important role to play in osteoarthritis. It helps in chondrocyte proliferation and differentiation and thus can help in regeneration of cartilage. Now, vitamin K2 can prevent cartilage damage. It inhibits bone morphogenetic protein mediated calcification of the cartilage. It also inhibits the expression of inflammatory cytokines and metalloproteinases. Glucosamine forms the protein lattice framework in cartilage. Joint fluids bind to glucosamine and provide elasticity to the cartilage. In osteoarthritic conditions, levels of glucosamine is lower, which causes a poor protein lattice framework. This causes less elasticity of the cartilage and cartilage damage and crack can occur. Now, glucosamine supplementation can help to maintain the cartilage integrity. Chondroitin sulfate and hyaluronic acid are the key ingredients for cartilage formation. So, supplementation of these ingredients are essential for osteoarthritis treatment. Boswellia serratiza, naturally occurring herb, which inhibits the 5-lipoxygenase enzyme activity, which further inhibits leukotriene formation and blocks the release of matrix metalloproteinases, which inhibits the joint inflammation. Turmeric is a potent anti-inflammatory agent which contains curcumin, which inhibits nuclear factor kappa B and thus inhibits the production of cytokine and thus it decreases inflammation in joints. Methyl sulfonyl methane is an absorbable source of dietary sulfur. Cartilage contains sulfur bonds, which maintains the integrity of the cartilage. So MSM supplementation can be beneficial for osteoarthritis. Omega-3 in diet prevents joint inflammation by inhibiting inflammatory cytokines like TNF-alpha and interleukins. Bone broth provides excellent nutrition for bones. It contains collagen, glucosamines, chondroitin, essential minerals. Recipe is given below. Drink it thrice weekly and the full recipe will be shared in this channel. Now, citrus fruits contains naringenin, which prevents the breaking of hyaluronic acid in our body, which can be used to boost the hyaluronic acid in our body. Fish are high in hyaluronic acid and omega-3, which can be of great help for bones. Fish oils are the premium source of omega-3. You can use New Herbs Deep Sea Fish Oil. You have to take 1 capsule daily. Now you have to take joint supplement, and Nature's Joint Gold is an excellent option. It contains glucosamine sulfate, chondroitin sulfate, MSM, Boswellia serrata, turmeric, rosehip extract, sodium hyaluronate, ginger, black pepper. You have to take 1 tablet for prophylaxis and 2 to 3 tablets for osteoarthritis. Now, vitamin K2D3 supplement is a great combination, and you can use herbal leaf K2D3. You have to take it 1 tablet after lunch. Knee braces are helpful in supporting osteoarthritic joints. There are various types of knee braces available in the market, especially unloader type can be of great benefit in osteoarthritic patients. Please consult your physiotherapist for actual size. Osteoarthritic patients have weakened quadriceps, hamstring and hip muscles. Exercise can make these muscles strong and can prevent further damage of joints. Exercises for osteoarthritis will be shared in our next videos. Please stay tuned to our channel, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon, and thank you for watching.